If you're stuck in an elevator, most people would try to pry the door.
Yeah, and you could potentially die because the elevator can move again. So what you should do is just press the red emergency button and kick back and relax and watch some videos from my channel and the Zacty Films' channel as you wait to get rescued. Oh yeah, and while you're at it, make sure to subscribe, to like, share, and subscribe my content. I know I'm not that good, I'm just a small creator. I'm trying to get 1K subscribers in over 3 million views. I need money.